Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do a review on the stunt car we got from Spin Master. This is the Hogs Stunt shot and it's supposed to be soft enough to run on almost anything. I guess we could even drive on the piano. We're going to open it up and be right back. It comes with a USB charger to charge the car.
And a controller that doesn't come with batteries. You need 2 AAAs. It even comes with stickers so you can customize it. You could pick which one or something? It's okay. I could just put it anywhere I want.
What is that sticker?
I don't know.
It's upside down.
Oh. Yeah.
She's working so hard on putting those stickers. It's gonna come out pretty.
Now we just have to test this. There we go.
Look, I even customized my controls. These are the eyes, nose, and mouth. Teeth. I'm gonna try it out first because I want my brother and rock, paper, scissors.
Just like the block said.
Oh, nice!
Hogs Stunt Shot, and remember this is made to play with indoors. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!